हेलो फ्रेंड्स। तो आज हम कुछ इंग्लिश के सेंटेंस जानने जा रहे हैं जो कि फैमिली से बिलोंग करते हैं, जो कि इस तरह हैं। हाउ मैनी पीपल आर देयर इन योर फैमिली? There are 5 people in my family. My father, my mother, brother, sister and me. Does your family live in a house or an apartment? We live in a house in the countryside. What does your father do? My father is a doctor. He works at the local hospital. How old is your mother? She is 40 years old, 1 year younger than my father. Do you have any siblings? What's her name? Yes, I do. I have one elder brother, David, and one younger sister, Mary. Are you the oldest amongst your brother and sister? No, I'm not. I'm the second child in my family. What does your mother father like? My father likes playing football and my mother likes cooking. Does your family usually have dinner together? Yes, we do. My mom always prepares delicious meals for us.